Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Gino, help me. Today's West Music Edge, 89.9.
Yeah. They're listening and watching. Sarap. Time now is 22 past 6 p.m.
Struggle
in the
gago.
evening. The boys are out tonight. My name is Gino Guillermo.
My name is Tin. It's 6:23. It's just us today.
I think Tin has forgotten how to board. Forgotten how to DJ at this
Gusto mo yung,
point.
wait. That was,
Wait lang. Help me. Ayos, ang galing.
pasensya na. Sorry,
Abaya.
Junior jumped in, reporting
sorry,
back for duty.
The core anchor, the true broadcaster amongst us is finally on leave.
Oo
It doesn't
nga.
happen very often.
It does
but
not.
If you follow Tony on Instagram or X or whatever, wish him a happy vacation. I guess he's off to Europe. And the funny thing about Tones is, that he's traveling with his parents when he declares where he's going.
Totoo.
Diba?
And when he
Kasi
posts, diba?
if
When he
he's
posts
with some
updates.
random chick, he
True.
will never tell you where he's actually
Nope.
gonna be.
Nope. Sasabihin
Ito,
niya,
okay
mas
lang
magsisinungaling siya. Like, kunyari,
Yes.
when he told us that he was going to India,
Yeah.
tapos yung mga pasalubong niya sa atin, puro galing Thailand.
Oo, so parang...
Paano nangyari yun?
Ito yung nakakatawa eh. It's not that he lies about it. Because it's true. He actually went to India. Pero he omitted certain truths.
Yes.
Which is, sumide trip pa si Gago sa Thailand.
Oh, he doesn't trust us ba?
No, he's just very secretive. He has a lot to hide.
That's our shady
That's
friend.
how he is. Yeah,
right
that's
there.
a shady friend right there. But enjoy him a happy vacation. I think he's gonna be gone
Like
is it
3
for the rest
weeks.
of the month.
Parang
Yeah,
3
I think
weeks.
for the rest of the month.
He's gonna watch
Slick
Dua
will be
Lipa.
back by next week.
Yes.
I think, if I'm not mistaken.
That's
He
correct.
is-
So it's just you and me all throughout the week, much to your delight.
I know, so much
Congratulations.
productivity that's going to be happening on this show. We have a lot of things lined up for you. Like, we have our guests, our friends from Viva Max are actually here.
Yes, they are.
And that's pretty much it. We're not prepared for this show. We're wild like that.
We did not invite other guests. We're
No.
happy with our Viva Max friends
Yeah.
and what they bring to the
They
table.
are more than enough.
I
More than
believe
enough.
so too.
Yeah. As in, like, I could talk to them today and not go to work for the rest of the month and I'd still feel, fulfilled. As a
Don't you dare
broadcaster.
suntokin kita. I know where you live.
Nagkaka-wild na po dito sa booth, no? But, ito I'm gonna tell you right now, Tin Gamboa.
Yes.
You know what's wilder?
Tell me, brother.
2024. 2024 is wilder.
Brother, I got you. Like the weather, the vibe, back-to-back concerts, syempre revenge travel, parties everywhere. Parang people have gone all out with the social activities this year. Pansin ko yun.
Yeah, boy! But not just that. I think that even people in general are becoming wilder.
Wilder how?
Okay, so yesterday, I was browsing through my Facebook page and found this group where the members basically share tons of credit, debit, and prepaid card promos and, get this, their experiences along with it. Like the fact that they get up to, 50% off
50?
on dining, shopping, online, travel, leisure, and whatever they use their cards for. Isn't that amazing?
Super. Talk about great deals, brother.
I know. Imagine you get big discounts just by using your credit card. And you know what? I'm just amazed how these people keep themselves updated with all the latest perks and card promos.
Alam mo, oo, no? They're always on the lookout for great deals.
Yeah, but how? I mean, like, guys, how can you keep up with all the latest promos?
My gosh, brother, you're so out of date.
How come, sister?
Kasi you don't have the Oh My Deals app by BPI Cards. The app that shows you all the current promos for BPI Cards. Ano ba?
OMG. Wait, can you tell me more about this app, please?
Well, brother, with this app, you'll be able to see all of the BPI Cards deals and nearby promos. You can filter the type of card you own by category like dining, shopping, online deals, and others, even by location.
Wow, I mean, how convenient is that? I mean, so I can just filter and easily browse the promos and mechanics for my BPI MasterCard, credit, debit, or prepaid card.
Exactly. Plus, you can also save your favorite deals para you can go back to them later.
That is amazing.
I know, right? With all these features, you'll stay up to date about the latest promos of BPI cards. Let me also share my experience with you, brother, kung okay lang.
Okay lang naman,
ka.
sis.
Thank you.
Sizzed.
So,
Okay lang.
last time kasi, bro, I was in Greenbelt and I was craving
Yeah.
for Japanese food. So, all I did was I opened my Oh My Deals app. I searched for promos in Greenbelt and voila! I saw the perfect spot with a good discount.
Ooh, nice. You know what? I want to have that app too.
Bro, ano ba? What are you waiting for? Just download the Oh My Deals app by BPI Cards now via the Apple App Store and Google Play Store.
Yo, you know what? Thanks for letting me know, sis. You know, it's really a good thing that I own a BPI card. No? At
Super.
least I can get more out of life here.
Tama. If you guys have no BPI card yet, apply now at www.bpi.com.ph or any BPI branch.
Deposits are insured by PDIC up to 500,000 pesos per depositor, regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Thanks so much, bro.
Yo, I gotta say, can I just say congratulations to the guys over at Luminox? They have this amazing thing going on now. So they have this like pop-up booth in Rockwell, near where the cosmetics area is. You know
Okay,
where the
yes.
Moras are?
Yeah.
It's right beside where the Land Rover Defender is. So they're basically like celebrating their 35th year of creating
35
fine
years.
watches. Yeah. So, ang interesting. You know how, okay, technically, we can all tell the time, right? I mean, with our phones and whatnot. But I gotta say, I find it equally interesting when watches have like a really rich history. Because let's face it, watches are basically like man jewelry, right?
True.
So
Can be
I
jewelry
learned
for us
today.
as well.
That's true. No gender specific jewelry, you know. But basically, like what I found out was ano pala, it was a Navy SEAL guy that developed
Oh, dang!
the watch, and that's why it's so rugged.
It's so pogi.
Kumbaga parang it's so tailor made for exactly what Navy SEALs needed and wanted at that time. And this was like 35 years ago, and then they did a test again like 5 years ago or something like that. And then it still surpasses their needs or the necessities for. Galing lang ng story.
Okay,
around
I
it.
know they made it specifically for Navy SEALs, but
Yeah.
did they also keep geeky gangsters in mind?
Yes. That's why I have one now. You know. Yeah.
Solid.
They did.
And you know what? They're only 6 years older than Tony.
That's
That's
true,
the
'cause
wildest
Tony's
part
29.
about this. Yes.
Medyo wild,
Yes.
you know. Kind of crazy. Congratulations to them. If you guys do want to check it out, head on over to the Rockwell pop-up. Like, it's just there. They've got like a whole collection. They have air, sea, and land, depending on, because they cater to different branches. You know, there's the Navy, and you know what I mean.
And the geeky
And then-
gangsters as well.
And then they have the Bear Grylls collection also, if
Oh,
you're a big fan of Bear Grylls.
dang.
As in, may compass pa yung watch, ganun. So,
How long will they be
Kinda
there
cool.
for?
check it out. You know what? I'm not sure, but probably like, I would say at least 2 weeks.
So go, check it out.
I
All
would-
you
I would
Navy
like to
SEALs and Bear Grylls out there. 6:31. Gino, let's take a break. Yeah?
Okay.
And
we
then-
just got on, but
I
we're
know.
taking a break already.
I know.
Oh, wow.
Ganun tayo, we have to be on time, Gino. We're professionals here.
that's right.
When we return, we will
Clearly.
have our friends from Viva Max. We're going to be talking to Chloe, Jenna, Errol, Carmelo from the movie Huwad. And then after that, we'll have Vince Rillion from Nurse Abby. So watch out for that.
Nice.
Hindi pala tayo magbe-break. Magsasong pala tayo.
Okay.
6:31. It's based on Kendrick Lamar.
Professionalism.
The song is called Love. Got Gino and Tin. We're Boys Night Out on the Magic.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Today's best music for Magic 89.9. Welcome back to the show. It's 6:39 on the clock. Gino, are you there? Because I have kwento. Gino, hurry back. Abahayo pala si Gino. All right. While wala pa si Gino, why don't we talk to our guests? We did say that we have, teka lang kasi first time ko dito, so hindi ko alam kung ano pinipindot ko. Can you say hi lang? Hindi yan. Mali ang pinindot ko. How about this? Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, okay. So, we did promise you guys that we have our friends from Viva Max, and we were not lying. From the movie Huwad, we have Chloe, Jenna, and Errol Carmelo. Hi, guys!
Hello.
Welcome! welcome. Okay.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for working on a holiday. We really appreciate it. You asked me a question off air. Okay lang, pwede sabihin. Wala kami problema doon. Errol, you asked me a question. Anong tinanong mo sa akin?
Because I was talking to Chloe earlier na sabi ko nung bata ako, dalawa lang yung pinapakinggan ko before.
Na radio stations.
Yes, it's
Okay.
either Magic or Monster Radio.
Okay.
Kasi sabi niya, eto rin daw yun. Sabi ko, wait, sure ka ba? Sabi ko.
Ina-slide
Teka
kita
lang,
ng konti. Si Gino. Gino?
Wait lang, tama ba yung rinig ko?
Boss Gino, hindi ko idea, Boss Gino. Kaya
Okay
i-clarify ko yun.
Parang either way naman, pasok yata ako eh.
Totoo.
Oo, di ba?
Oo, yes, dun siya galing. Dun siya galing. Okay, so just out of curiosity, sino yung mga naalala mong DJs nung bata ka pa na pinapakinggan mo? Grabe yung nung
Sir
bata pa
Gino,
ako.
Sir, sir, wag naman tayong sir.
Boss Gino, Boss
Pero wag mo siyang gagalangin. Yung Gino dapat binabastos.
Hindi ako kamaring gala.
si Boss Donnie. And
Ayun, tama lang yung boss Tony.
Oo, yun tama talaga. Alam mo ba kung gano'ng kayaman si Tony?
Hayop.
Wild.
Hayop.
Meron siyang...
Gusto ko yung wala siya dito. Pinag-uusapan pa rin natin.
siya yung hot seat.
Lagi naman namin siya binabackstab. Chloe, ba't mo naman sinabi kay Errol na pareho lang yun? Ginagaslight mo lang siya, ganun.
Hindi,
Pinagtitripan mo
nalito
lang.
din ako. Kasi
Feeling ko sinasabotahe talaga ni Chloe.
sabi ko, pakinggan mo yung intro nila, may ano.
Sabi ko ba, sure ka? Manila
Iba pala
Sotes.
Nakakaloka ka, Chloe.
Ang ganda. Good job, Chloe. Good job.
Ala ka sa trip niya.
So anyway, guys.
Alam mo, okay talaga dito sa Monster Magic eh.
Sir Magic.
Hindi ko siya naririnig.
Today's hottest. Okay.
Hindi daw narinig.
Manila's best music. Okay. Chloe,
Okay.
wala kang karapatang magkamali kasi nakailang punta ka na dito, di ba?
6 ko natin itong guesting.
Bro ka, Chloe.
Baka sa sobrang daming beses kasi medyo nagkakagulo na. Parang,
Okay, sige,
you know what?
sige.
Tama lang, pare-pareho na lang tayo.
Valid. Pag-usapan na natin tong tuwad. Hindi, huwad.
Huwad. Huwad, bro.
Sounds like naman.
May typo.
Ay,
Pasensya
malaking
na.
difference ang huwad sa tuwad.
That's the first letter.
Okay.
Negligible.
But please tell us
mistake.
all about huwad.
Yes,
Ano ba
please.
yung... Without spoiling
No
anything.
spoilers,
Ano ba yung kwento nito?
What if let's start with your roles here?
Like sa Servedoras, kabit pa rin ako dito. I guess effective talaga akong maging kabit.
Medyo...
Gusto ko
Pero
yung
bang
make
part... Pero bang part of you na parang teka lang.
Bakit
Kabit na naman ako.
Actually, hindi ko na,
Nakakahalata na ako ah.
hindi na nga mabilang yung yung role ko na kabit. So,
Paano kung
baka yun yung branding ko.
What if one of these days, ibigay sa'yo yung title na pambansang kabit, tatanggapin mo?
Okay lang. Kasi parang siya, exciting talaga siya. Saka siya yung, alam mo yung parang flavor talaga siya minsan
That's
ng
true.
story, di ba?
Alam mo yung... Kung si Regine Velasquez may Asia Songbird, ikaw parang Asia's kabit. Di ba?
Solid title, Chloe!
Oh, take it. Why not? So,
Curious, have you ever been a third party in real life?
Ay, hindi talaga.
Hindi. Okay. So, parang yung fantasies mo na yung excitement, yung danger, nililive out mo through your roles.
Oo naman. Doon pa lang na ako. More than enough na yun.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay na. Goods na tayo.
Very good. Okay. Ikaw naman, Errol, what's your role here?
Pero kahit naman nangyari, hindi naman kami judgy eh.
Just in case na meron talaga.
Alam naman natin nangyayari
Ako,
din
Chloe,
talaga.
pagkagalitan kita off-air. Ano yung ginagawa mo? Hindi maganda yan.
Oh, papagalitan kita on air, pero off air parang, uy, high five.
Gago. Okay, Errol, your role here.
Errol,
So, I'm a security guard here. Asawa ako ni Asi.
alam na.
And kami talaga yung may pamilya dito. Pamilya, we have
ilang
one
anak?
kid.
Okay, one kid.
Pero, hindi
Wait lang, question. Security, may baton ka ba dito? Yung...
Yeah. Hindi.
Meron
Yung
ba?
batuta? Yung
Wala
Big
akong
black
batuta. Meron
batuta,
kaming
oh.
like handgun.
Ay,
Parang
ba?
ganun.
Hardcore. Anong
Parang mga tipong, is that a handgun or are you just happy to see me, no?
anong sinisecure mo? Anong ginaguard mo?
Ano yung sinisecure?
Ano yung sinisecure?
Baby girl, yung puso mo. Yun ang sinisecure ko.
Anong gina-guard mo dito? Like, bangko?
Restaurant.
Restaurant,
Okay. Okay, tapos paano kayo nag-meet dito?
Ayun, hindi siya completely established sa start of the
okay.
as in
Okay.
as the film goes on, talagang na kami. We're a thing na. Kapag ko na siya. Yes.
Okay. Wala tayong trailer na ipapakita kasi I think ginagawa pa, no? So why don't you give us and our listeners, a little taste of what we can expect
Hindi.
from Huwad?
Gawa tayo ng bagong challenge. Since wala tayong trailer.
Oh my
Ito,
God.
gawa tayo ng live action.
Sige.
Live talaga.
Live
Gino,
action
si Gino
trailer.
ang gaganap na Azzy.
Wait. Director lang ako dito. Teka.
Okay, sige, Gino.
Ako yung
go.
director ng trailer.
Ano yung plano mo? Go.
Okay, wait lang. This, hindi na summer, no? This tag-ulan season. Kailan ba i-release? Kailan ba i-release?
20.
28, June 28.
Malapit.
16 days after the Philippine Independence Day.
Stupid.
One man, one security guard, one kabit will blow your socks off.
Gino, please
Chloe Jenner,
don't quit your day
Errol
job.
Carmelo. What? Okay na.
Gino, just go. Gino, please. I think it's time to go
Sound
back
effects pa lang yun, ha?
Time to go back to the drawing board. Okay?
Wala pa tayong visual cues doon.
I do not approve of this talent. Okay, sige. Tell us more about what we can expect when we click on the Viva Max app and watch Huwad on the 28th? 28th?
Yes.
Actually,
Pwede mo sabihin, what can we expect?
Gino, please sit. Nag-holiday din yung utak ni Gino. Pasensya na.
Bakasyon guys, sorry. Ako, please.
Go, sige.
originally kasi yung title niya talaga is Gayuma. Dahil
Okay.
ang magiging solution dito ni Asi is gayumahin yung asawa niya para bumalik sa kanya. Pero
Oh man, okay.
ang mangyayari, hindi siya tatalab kay A-Roll. Sa amin tumalab sa mga girls.
Oh my gosh.
So yung
Wait, so na in love kayo kay Azzy?
Tao lava, di ba? Hindi. Sorry. So yung girl...
Hindi ko napigilan yung sarili ko. Kala niyo utak ko lang nakabakasyon.
May pagka-BL ba na?
Ay, yung utak ni Tim, hindi talaga nag-apply sa trabaho.
Okay, so nabihag niya yung girls instead. Bakit kayo yung nakainom ng potion? Ganun.
actually siya yung umiinom.
Iba yung concept. Iniba yung concept dito. It's like yung film na Perfume. So,
yeah.
siya yung nagde-take nung
Medyo messed up din yung film na yun.
Yes, ganun. Tas,
So yung may nag-orgy sila lahat, diba? Na parang...
Oo, then yung...
May ganun dito?
Hindi, sa
No.
Perfume.
Okay, akala ko
Sa perfume.
Mapapasubscribe ako bigla.
Like,
Kinain
na-excite.
siya?
Yes,
Oo.
kinain siya, di ba, Boss Gino?
Yeah. Kasi parang...
Sorry.
Okay, sorry. In a nutshell, para lang alam ni Tin, it's a French film that basically parang he bottles the essences of people.
Okay.
Parang ganon.
Like yung mga-
Tapos
anong tawag
sobrang
doon?
wild
Pheromones.
nung...
Yun, pheromones. Okay.
Sobrang wild nung essence niya, nung parang pinakawalan niya, ginamit niya. Nagwala lahat ng tao in his vicinity.
Damn.
Started having sex with each other like uncontrollably. And eventually, they couldn't handle it. Ended up eating him. Medyo wild.
Okay, so not the fun kind.
Well, I guess it started out to the fun kind. And then eventually...
No, but he was, di ba? Like, parang meron siyang, was he autistic? Parang ganun ba?
I know that he had like some
Siya.
psychological,
Yeah,
because I mean he was killing people also, diba? So,
The way he took the pheromones was really out of this world.
medyo, so ito, hindi ka naman umabot sa point na ganun. Hindi ka naman umabot sa point or
Or kinain ka ba
Hindi
dito?
Ibang kain yung ginawa dito.
ito yung enjoy na kain.
Yes.
Viva Max Way.
The Viva Max way.
The Viva Max way. The buffet.
The preferable way.
Solid. I'm super
Okay,
sad
so-
na walang trailer. I really want to
Ano?
see.
Wait, so when did you guys decide na parang, you know what, okay, instead of Gayuma, let's just go with Huwad?
Well, mga boss kasi yung mga decide noon. Nagulat na lang din kami, iniba na lang nila.
Okay.
So how long ago did you guys film this?
April.
April?
Yeah. I think it was
this
last
year lang?
April. Yes.
Super recent.
Bilis
Yes.
na. Oh.
How
And
different?
then,
Go, Gino.
No, go ahead. Because I was gonna ask na parang when it'll be released, like where you guys shot it.
Sige.
also.
Yun muna. Go.
Oh. Parang
When-
alam na ng mga tao.
Yeah. When will it be released? We established it. Tama ba? June 28th?
Yes.
Okay.
Yung 28.
Yeah.
Then who else can they expect to see in this film?
Ayun, kasama po namin si Asi. Acosta, hindi po tawala ba?
Laruin lang natin, ha? Laruin lang natin.
Kinlir ko na. Asi Acosta po. And of course, ayun, we're with Leia Bernabe as well and a bunch of actors din. We have our veteran actor, si
Simon Ibarra.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Solid yung work.
What was the most challenging part about this movie? Shooting this movie?
Tricycle.
Actually, hindi siya challenging.
Tricycle.
Most
You did it in a tricycle?
Exciting.
Gumagalaw?
Exciting.
wow.
No, not moving. Not
Medyo
moving.
wild yung
Sa
moving
tabing
tricycle.
dagat.
May driver.
Driver.
Ayun.
Si Taw lang.
Pasok na mga katoda.
Sa pila.
Well, pwede ba natin i-explain yung tricycle or panoorin na lang nila para malaman nila?
Like we can give a few details
Okay,
naman
sige,
about
sige.
it. Kasi it's really fun to watch. Kahit naman i-explain namin, I think papanoorin pa rin ng mga
True.
tao.
Iba pa rin, oh.
Kasi syempre medyo yung concept niya is kakaiba since it's a tricycle, diba? Not I don't think it's really common to see that in
Yeah,
real
no.
life, diba?
Have you ever met anyone who's done it in a tricycle?
Never.
I've never.
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 So mahirap yung Tetris, pag Tetris sa katawan.
I would assume so.
Kasi isip ko.
Hindi, tsaka diba, pag kunwari nandun ka sa pedicab, di ba dahil tricycle siya, ibig sabihin, pag nalagay mo yung weight mo sa front right part, magtitip over yung tricycle.
Oo, true.
Yes.
Kailangan
Diba?
i-balance.
So medyo may core stability ka pa just to be able to pull that off. So medyo... Oh,
True.
Ayun ba yung na-experience ninyo kaya nahirapan kayo? That's why you found it
The
challenging?
balance part.
Well, parang hindi naman. Kasi medyo mabigat yung motor din naman.
And
okay.
that's how we started inside.
Okay.
Pero we made our way naman palabas. Kasi medyo mahirap talaga inside. And kung i-shoot namin yun, parang wala na masyado makikita.
That's true. Kasi
gets.
sobrang liit din nung ano. Nung
Pag ganun
chance
ba,
na-
do you step in and say, uy, parang hindi to feasible. I think we need to. Do you suggest? Do you make suggestions?
Well, we can make suggestions naman, pero the director naman was way ahead of us. Alam naman niya na hindi ka siya.
Naspatan niya na,
Yes.
nagsa-struggle na kayo.
Baka na-try na rin ni Direk, no?
Kaya pala
Medyo alanganan
nasulat
tayo
doon.
dyan, no?
Direct kaya pala.
Directed by who nga pala ito? Directed by who?
Hello?
Direct Reynold Giva.
Direct Reynolds.
Direk Reynolds, mukhang naka-XP na eh. Na parang, you know what, guys? Okay lang yan sa simula, pero yung ending natin dapat
Kailangan
nasa
na lumabas.
yan,
Where does this rank in your favorite Viva Max movies that you guys have done?
Ikaw muna.
And why?
For this year, ito talaga.
Fave.
Ito,
Yeah, ito talaga. Kasi number one, sobrang saya kasi nung prod. Inan namin to, shoot namin to sa Mindoro, Pola.
Okay.
And grabe yung samahan nung prod hanggang sa buong cast. And sobrang gaan din ng environment talaga namin. So hindi din kami nahirapan maski mga ganong crucial scenes. And mabilis yung mga scenes eh. Like yung tricycle, sobrang nakaka-proud kasi one take siya.
Nice.
At no edit.
Nahirapan
Pero-
ba kayo sa lagay na yan,
Binibenta
ha?
talaga namin yung scene na yun.
Pero hindi naman ganun kabilis, no? Kasi medyo kawawa naman si Errol kung gano'n kami.
Hindi naman, no. Makakaba yung scene.
Parang ine-epilepsy na yung itsura. Joke lang po. Joke lang.
Ikaw naman, Errol. Where does this rank?
And for this year, I think I have to agree with Chloe. Kasi ito talaga ito yung full length ko na this year na maganda talaga yung role ko. And ang ganda kasi ng story for me.
Okay.
Hindi lang siya yung typical sexy story na napapanood natin. May concept siya talaga. At talagang hindi lang yung sexy yung abangan mo.
Wow.
I love it. Okay,
Alright, so
now
once
is the
again, can
time?
we invite everyone
Yes.
to check out Huwad on the 28th?
Yes, I'm inviting you all to please watch Huwad, directed by Reynold Giba, this June 28, only on Viva Max.
Yes.
Love it.
Alright.
Errol, dito also.
Oh, ganun. And guys, hi, I'm Errol Carmelo and sana po mapanood nyo ang Huwad on Viva Max platform. This is directed by Derek Reynold Giba. Kasama ko dito si Azzy Acosta po, hindi po Taulaba. And si Chloe Jenna, of course, with a veteran actor such as Simon Ibarra and new actors as well, kasama si Lea Bernabé.
And how will we
Somewhere out there, si Taulaba is like, kailan ako nag-Viva Max? Ganda ko alam to.
Anyway, how can we find you on social media? Let's start with
social
Chloe.
media.
At Chloe Jenna with 3 A's.
3 A's.
Chloe Jenna.
So, AAA Chloe Jenna.
Bobo ni Gino ka.
Bobo.
O kaya ginit na. Tapos yun.
Chloe AAA Jenna. Okay. Sorry, labo na
Ikaw din
araw
ba?
na to. Errol.
Wala po double or triple letters. Ang ano ko lang po is either I am Errol Carmelo on IG and Facebook and TikTok. Pabalik na ako ulit TikTok.
Ba't ka nag-break?
Ay, ano ko yan? Ito yung kwento.
Before kasi like pandemic times, doon ako naging active.
Tama naman.
Guess.
So ayan, sa mga nakakamiss kay Errol sa TikTok,
Babalik ko sa TikTok.
mo siya. Don't forget to
There you go.
catch Huwad
Yeah.
June 28 only on Viva Max. Download nyo na yan. It's 6:56. You know, let's take a break. More of the show coming up after this.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Today's best music for Magic 89.9, 7:01 on the clock. Welcome back to the show. It's Boys Night Out. No Slick, no Tony today. So if you're wondering bakit ang extra gulo, it's because wala kami leader. Okay?
Because wala yung direksyon ng show.
Ang lala, G.
Wala. You know, this is why elders are so important.
Never disregard your elders.
Exactly. We need the veterans to kind of lead the way. Diba? We see it happen all the time in basketball. You may have like 2 rookie superstars or whatever, but you need the
Asitaw lava.
the Robert Jaworskis, you know,
Yes.
to kind of lead you to where you're supposed to go.
7:02. We have another guest.
Nakakatawa,
Gina.
hindi na naman tayo rookie.
Oo nga, nakakahiya.
So,
Dapat alam na natin ginagawa natin by now. We've been doing this for quite a while.
Bakit choice lang talaga natin na maging makalat, no? It didn't ever occur to you that maybe that's why.
Masaya kaya maging makalat. I think our guest would agree. You have another
Yeah.
guest in the booth. Di ba masaya maging makalat?
Opo.
Ako, ayan.
Pasabay na rin dyan sa makalat na yan.
Ayan.
We have in the Magic 89.9 studios from the movie Nurse Abby, we got Vince Trillion.
Hello,
Hello,
po.
hello.
Hi,
Good evening,
Vince.
good evening.
Good evening
Oh, Vince,
po.
ano yung pinakamakalat na bagay na ginawa mo sa buhay?
Ay, gusto ko tong tanong na to.
Wala. Hindi mo kailangan
Sasagot sa
Alas, gusto mo?
Gino,
Okay,
sagot
go,
na
go.
siya. Sige,
oh,
sige
sige.
Vince. Pinakamakalat na ginawa mo sa buhay mo.
Ito. Baka mayari ako sa Viva.
Yan,
Nako.
gusto nila yan.
Ito yung mayayari ka sa Viva sa lagay na to. Ano, parang, okay, wait lang ha.
Pwede mag-pass. Pass na lang.
Sige, pas na lang,
Fine.
Babs.
Na-excite ako. Akala ko
Promising yung career mo, ayaw namin sirain, no?
Sayang. First time niya pa naman dito, Gino.
Is it the first? We've had you on the show before,
But
pero
through
online
Zoom.
lang, no?
Oh, yeah. Laging
through
Zoom.
lang. Ngayon, dahil nalaman ko na papasok ka, ako naman nag-Zoom para ma-feel mo yung nafe-feel ko.
Para fair.
Para fair lang, sakto lang. No, but Pabs, can you tell us all about Nurse Abby? Ano meron kay Nurse Abby?
Si Nurse Abby dito, siya yung... Sa kanya ako nabaliw dito and puro fantasy. Lagi siyang nasa utak tuwing matutulog ako and then ganon. Ang role ko dito, isa akong graphic artist
Nice.
na work alcoholic. And
Okay.
then, yung mga katrabaho ko nag-resign. So, sa akin napasa lahat ng mga trabaho. And then, nakilala ko si Nurse Abby dahil hinimatay ako dito dahil nga sa busy sa pagtatrabaho.
Kakatrabaho.
Tapos medyo na-obsess ka sa kanya ng konti.
Opo,
ganun.
nabaliw ako sa kanya. And then, siya yung naging fantasy ko araw-araw tuwing mapapikit, makapatulog, mapasandal, lahat pag-uwi sa
Ayos.
bahay.
As in medyo masasabi natin unhealthy obsession. Ganun. Oo. Hindi masyado. Okay. Gets.
Has it ever
We've all
happened to
been
you?
there.
Hindi naman unhealthy obsession. Pero kunwari ikaw, has it ever happened to you na medyo borderline obsession na yung pagkagusto mo sa isang tao na parang, teka lang, araw-araw na lang pag-gising ko, siya naiisip ko, pag natutulog ako, siya naiisip ko, pag nasa Hindi na natin nagsashower ako. Kaya naiisip ko, nangyari na ba sa'yo yun?
Tayo pa sa akin.
Kasi wala siyang pakialam sa mga experiences ko.
kumbaga,
Tinatanong na.
nung kabaliwan sa gano'n. So, in reality,
Oo.
parang wala. Kasi,
Hindi ka ba Hindi ka
kasi
lover boy type?
baka makuha ko agad yung gusto ko eh.
Wow!
Di ba?
Ay,
Yan naman ang isang Vince.
Bagay. Sa bagay nga. Baka yung mga babae yung nagkakaganon sa para everyday.
Hindi na lang.
Feeling ko din.
Pwede.
Pero anong klaseng manliligaw ka? Are you romantic or medyo presko?
Pag nanligaw ako, pailalim ako, hindi ako hindi ako showy.
Okay.
Ganun ako,
Paano yung mga kilos ng mga pailalim? Hindi ko kasi alam paano.
Ulul mo, Gino.
Bestie! Hey, bestie!
Di ba? Yung, parang meron kang target na idadam siya in out of the way, pero iba yung target mo ayun, pero alam mo yun,
Binabali mo.
binabali, gano'n.
Yung mga tipong okay yung kaibigan mo, pero ikaw talaga yung mas gusto ko.
Oh my God.
Ganun na
Nagkasundo
ganun, parang
sila,
ganun,
hayop.
Ganon.
Meron ka na bang role sa Viva Max na medyo similar sa totoo mong buhay? Tsaka anong movie yun?
Parang lahat eh. Joke lang. Parang ganun. Sa totoong buhay. Kasi ang dami ko na nagawa po sa may Viva Max actually. So hindi ko matandaan kung ano yung medyo similar doon. Pero more ko sa totoong buhay, mas, kumbaga ako, present ko yung mas mahal ko yung mga kapatid ko, mama ko, ganun ako.
Family
Opo,
boy.
Family guy.
That's wonderful.
Family guy.
Doon ako nakakahugot ng mga experience. Hindi sa mga bedsin ha. Kumbaga sa mga iyakan, drama.
Sana.
Diba?
Medyo pang Game of Thrones yata yung bed scene tas family. No, but obviously for this movie, Nurse Abby, ano ba, ikaw ba yung, kasi I mean obviously when you talk about it that way, no, na medyo unhealthy obsession yung meron mo sa tao, does that mean ikaw yung villain dito sa movie na to? Or medyo somewhere in the middle?
Kontrabida ka ba dito?
Actually, itong movie na to, introducing dito yung partner ko kasi bago siya, newcomer siya, si Alexandra Cruz. So siya talaga yung ditong introducing
ito yung
talaga.
launching movie. Siya si Nurse Abby?
Opo, siya si Nurse Abby. So ako lang naman yung parang tumahi ng kwento dito kung paano mapunta yung kwento kay Nurse Abby. Actually, nagsimula yung kwento parang ayun nga na workaholic graphics artist and then introducing siya doon. Ayun po.
Gets. Okay.
Pero
Do we have the trailer? Do we have a trailer for...
Yes, we do have the trailer. Direct?
You wanna check out the trailer?
Yes,
para we can
let's.
talk about it a little bit more after.
Tsaka that's true. Wait, I am intrigued. I am intrigued. Mahirap ba yung
Hindi, alam mo,
go.
Tin, sasabihin ko lang, no, kaya ako opposed sa pagtatrabaho ng masyado. Hindi pwede yung puro katrabaho ka lang. Kasi pag ako inimatay, tapos dinala ako sa nurse, tapos nangyari to, masama kasi may pamilya na ako, di ba? Siyempre, mahal ko yung asawa ko, di ba? Parang,
as in, gusto ko
hirap
suntukin right now. Kung nandito ka, salamat ka na.
saka secondly,
Zoom ka
wala
live
naman
ka.
tayong nurse sa Magic eh.
Totoo.
Pag hinimatay tayo, okay, pray over na lang natin yan.
Every man for himself. Ano ginawa mo para maging comfortable yung co-star mo since it's her first time? Meron ka bang mga extra na ginawa just to make sure na okay, hindi siya masyado kinakabahan, gano'n?
Actually kasi yung itong bago kasi yung kumbaga first film niya. Pag bago kasi syempre kailangan niyang ibigay yung best niya doon ng 100%.
Dami pa patunayan, di ba?
Para ma-excite din yung mga tao na abang, okay siya, ganyan. So ako kasi, pag may ganun ako, kinukulit ko lang siya, ako niya kumukulit din sa babae. Sabi niya nga na syempre ako, ang dami ko na naging partner. So siya, kaya ko kahit ano gawin mo sa akin, ganun. Di parang ako pa yung umuurong.
Palaban.
Kasi palaban siya Kasi kailangan niya po talagang ibigay yung 100% niya para magkaroon siya ng zone ng project ulit. Di ba? Parang ganun kasi So ako yung umuurong dito. Kasi sa sobrang dami ko nang naging partner din, di ba? Kumbaga ako ngayon, manual na lang din kung tutusin. Pero kasi siya palaban. Ako yung umurong talaga.
Okay.
Lupet. Usually,
pero
mas
paano
gusto
yan?
mo?
Okay naman yung like, kunwari yan, since first time niya, may usapan ba kayo na parang, yun nga, parang, kasi we've heard it before also na for other artists, yung pinag-uusapan nila beforehand kung ano yung mga gagawin
Limitation,
nila.
mga limitation.
So may ganun din kayong conversation ito?
Siya, ang sabi niya lang, hawakan mo lahat, kainin mo lahat, basta wag mo lang lamasin. Yung parang ganun. Di ba?
Wow! Ayos!
Okay siyang hawakan yung moves. Okay siya. Kasi ayun yung pinaka-ayoko din sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, yung mahawak sa may boobs. Sabi ko sa kanya, dahil komportable. Pero siya kasi, willing ako, sabi niya.
Okay lang
Alala.
sa kanya. Ang importante naman is nag-uusap kayo dalawa, di ba?
Medyo
Tapos
solid yung
magkatugma
communication nila,
usapan
no?
niyo.
Ano ulit yung sabi niya? Hawakan mo lahat, kainin mo lahat.
Huwag mo lang
Huwag
laman.
mo lalamasin.
Exciting na nakakatakot. Ayun yung ano
Medyo
sa akin.
kakabahan din ako kung sinabihan ako ng gano'n eh. No? Parang,
Parang, Easy,
parang
easy.
okay lang.
Pero meron ka na ba naging katrabaho na opposite naman niya? Yung medyo hiyang-hiya pa, medyo hindi pa ganun ka-confident?
Actually, lahat naman po na nakakatrabaho ko, ganun sila. Pero pag nag-in character na sila, nagbago na sila.
Nawawala.
Wala na talagang, okay, siya na pala yun. Akala ko
galing,
ganyan,
ang
ganun po
galing.
sila. Nag-i-evolve
Kasi if
sila.
you think about it, ibang tao na yun eh. Kumbaga parang iba na yung
Opo.
psyche nila, iba na yung persona nila.
Pero
So,
pag may
galing
mga
na-
ganito kami, mga press or mga ganito mga invitation,
back to normal
oo,
yan.
parang, uy,
parang-
ano ka ba? Nakita mo na yun sa akin, nakita mo na yun sa'yo. Parang ganun, di ba?
Matagal ko rin gusto itanong yun. So pag dito, as in, walang plaster? As in,
Hindi,
all
meron
out?
naman.
Meron
May
yan.
may mga artist na hindi nagpa-fluster ang alam ko. Pero
Ikaw?
ako kasi,
Oo.
hindi, plaster tayo.
Okay.
Para
okay,
hindi
okay,
nakaka-offend. Kasi
Ah.
kung
Oo.
walang plaster,
Sana
sana
feeling ko
ipapakita.
jahe rin eh. Oo,
Okay lang
parang
po.
feeling ko awkward din, I
Opo.
guess.
Pero kung hindi kami mag-fluster, sana ipakita na lang din. Hindi naman
May point
magagamit
ka.
eh.
May point ka.
Hindi naman
Oo,
magagamit yung
sabagay.
ba't tayo magpapakita.
Tama.
Di ba?
May point siya doon ah. Yung sayangin yung effort.
Oo.
Kumbaga, ba't ka magpapatakam kung hindi ka naman magpapakain?
Ba't mo patitigasin kung hindi mo naman ipapakita? Di ba? Parang ganun eh.
Ang lupit mo, Vince! Solid
Kasi
ka!
in reality, ganun po talaga sa set. Kasi ganun kami.
Tama naman.
Habang gumagawa kami ng bed scene, yung iba libog na libog kami, nagtatawanan kami habang ginagawa namin yung bed scene.
Oo nga, no? How do you guys feel about that? Now, obviously, like, you know, when people watch these films, when they watch your films, syempre,
Ginagawa nila yung
elicits a
ginawa mo
certain-
kay Nurse Abby sa kama.
Oo, na parang, how does that feel? Knowing na parang somewhere out there may nanonood ng movie mo. Tapos, nag-enjoy naman sila in that
nag-enjoy
way.
sila in that way.
Samantalang kami, alam niyo po ba yun, pagod na pagod kami sa take
Oo,
natin.
sobrang technical kasi para sa
Sobrang
inyo.
technical.
Di ba?
And then kailangan makakuha ng cam ng malinaw na shot. Eh, syempre pag bed scene, ganun, syempre magulo tayo pag
Magulo,
bed
oo,
scene.
syempre,
diba?
oo.
Bahala ka na, ganyan mo. Ano. So doon, ganun meron so nakakapagod.
Sobrang precise yung
Bukod siya
movement,
nadadala ka
yun.
sa intention, now hold. So, huhulmain mo ulit yung character mo, yung continuity nun.
That's
And then
true.
yung kamay, yung hagod nun, take two. Saan ko ba nilagay yung kamay? Tinapit ko ba
syempre,
yung
kailangan
lips
mo
mo?
maalala. Oo.
Tama. Pero alam mo, Vince, tambay ako ng Reddit eh. Tapos may nakita akong mga tao who are talking about the films on Viva Max. Worth it yung pinaghihirapan nyo. Kasi yung mga nabasa kong reviews, Gino, everyone was commenting on how well acted
Yeah.
these movies are. Well
Yeah.
produced, well
tsaka-
acted.
I think the viewership alone
Oh, 11
already
million
speaks for
subscribers.
itself. 11 million. Anong population ng buong Pilipinas? 110? 116
That's a
million?
pretty solid stat. 11 M.
11 million people subscribe to
Nasashock ka
Viva
ba?
Max.
Nashock ka nung nalaman mo yung 11
Opo.
M?
Doon pa lang kami, sa bago pa lang kami, 3 million pa lang, parang ang sesaya ko na eh. 3 million na nanonood
Medyo
sa
wild na yung
amin,
tatlo,
diba?
pero
11
Kagulo.
times.
Pero Vince, I wanted to ask you, kunwari ikaw, sa yung mga family gathering or whatever, meron ka ba mga tita, tito that don't necessarily understand what you do?
Good question.
Parang, oy, ba't mo naman ginawa yan? Ganyan.
Unang-una po, hindi lang sa mga relatives, kundi yung mga kapatid ko. 7 kasi kami magkakapatid, so may 4 akong ate.
Okay.
Pero alam nila na hindi ako ganun in person. Pero tinatanong nila ako na ganyan ka ba talaga ka-wild pag may chicks ka or ano? Di ba?
So, pinapanood ng mga kapatid mo?
Actually, nahihiya nga ako eh.
Oo nga eh, medyo... Ate, wag mo na lang panoorin.
At saka lalo na pag
Pero at the same time, gusto namin pinapanood yung movie namin kasi siyempre, tinabaho namin yan. Diba?
Stats din yan.
Yung dati, bago pa lang po ako sa may Viva Max, pinag-unprint ko yung mga ate ko.
Para hindi nila makita yung
Parang
trailer na
yung,
pinopost mo.
Oo, kasi, at saka may mga pamangkin din akong babae, di ba? So ako yung nahihiya, pero pinakita nila sa akin na hindi, Vince, okay lang, alam naman namin na
Trabaho yan,
Oo,
ah.
trabaho at alam namin kung sino ka. In Vince Real yun. Ganon. Natuwa naman ako, na-appreciate nila yun.
That's nice.
That's really,
nice,
really,
kasi,
really
ano,
good to hear.
Pero ano yun, mahirap yun para sa akin. Yung makita ng mama ko, ng mga kapatid kong ate,
Oo,
na gano'n.
siyempre, parang...
Tapos pabago-bago
I can
pa yung mga
imagine.
partner ko and then tapos nakikita nila ako na gano'n ako ka
Tapos yan,
kaano sa...
kunwari dito. kunwari, itong trailer pala na to, nagja-jacks ka. No?
Actually, kanina nga, iniisip ko,
Medyo
ipopost ko
awkward.
Ganun. Kaya nga eh.
Post mo, proud tayo dito sa Nurse Abby.
Alam ko naman po na trabaho lang to. Alam ko yung limitation ko bilang isang.
I love that. Nice one,
yeah.
Vince. Ngayon, invite mo naman ang ating listeners to go catch Nurse Abby on Viva Max.
Hello po, my name is Vince Trillion. Abangan po natin Nurse Abby sa June 21, directed by Tasnin Celestino. Dito lang sa Viva Max. At saka sa mga taong hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe dyan, 169 pesos lang po. Mag-subscribe na po kayo at maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Be one of the 11 million.
Bakit feeling ko sadya yung 169?
Oo, sadya yan.
Tansya ko lang.
160.
Tansya ko lang.
Ay, hindi ko alam po ha. Hindi ko alam. Issue, eh.
Ewan ko dyan, bahala kayo.
Ay, kasi nung pagkasabi mo rin ng 69, parang alam mo eh.
Medyo may tigil eh. 69!
May dramatic pause. Vince, how do we find you on social media? Paano ka namin pa-follow?
Please follow my fan page and Facebook and IG Vince Rillion at yahoo.com and TikTok Vince Rillion 26. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan. Thank you so much,
Vince, thank you so much. Congratulations on the movie.
Thank you. Salamat
Great work.
po.
Go ahead and catch Nurse Abby only on Viva Max. Again, it's 169.
69.
So go and subscribe right now. 7:18 on the clock. Let's play some Taylor Swift. Here's Cruel Summer, Magic 89.9.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
For today's best music, Magic 89.9. That's Okay by Faith, coming in at 7:25. Thank you for listening to Boys Night Out. My name is Tin. If you're looking for the other boys, well, Gino's here. Gino's on Zoom, but Tony and Slick are not. They're taking well-deserved vacations, but they both will be back very soon. If there's anything I can play for you, I am on Playback. That's playback.tv/magic899. If you want to find me online, I am Tin_Gamboa. I just posted an update of our new house tour, so that's pretty cool. If you guys want to check it out, again, that's Tin_Gamboa. Let's play some Adele now. The song is called Send My Love from 2016. You're tuned into Boys Night Out, only here on Magic 89.9.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.